Hello friends. The title of the video is What is Oriental Despotism? Oriental despotism is first found in Greek writings. It is particularly found in the description of their traditional enemy, the Achaemenid Empire of Persia. Despotism was associated with the imperial system and with the fabulous wealth of the Persian court. Changing political ideas in Europe in 18th century, focusing on the question of private property in land, individual rights and democracy, coincided with the absence of private property in land in Asia, particularly in India. In this context, the discussion on Oriental despotism was revived, but the concept remained vague in its application and ambiguous in its definition. It was Karl Marx who formalized it into a system of political economy by his theory of Asiatic mode of production. He projected a static society of village community totally to the mercy of the king. According to him, irrigation played central role in the village economy. This led to the emergence of small, self-sufficient villages which were exploited by the central ruler. In such society, individual was not the owner of a land, but he was just a tiller or the cultivator. The development of self-sufficient village obstructed the development of big towns or cities. So, these towns and big cities could not perform their role to that extent which was expected in India and China. This maintained aloofness or separation of ruler from the urban region. Thus, Oriental despotism was a form of despotic government, thought historically to be the characteristic of Asian politics. To conclude, Karl Marx was totally opposed to the interest of British imperialism. Yet even he saw the coming of British as the means by which despotism in India could be terminated. Thank you for watching my video.